Hello lovely people, I'm Nysha, one of your new English trainers and the newest member of the Let's Talk family. Just to give you a brief introduction about myself, I'm a native speaker of the English language, having been raised, studied and worked in parts of Europe, namely Gibraltar, Spain and the United Kingdom. I also attained my university degree in England and am Advanced Level English CEFR certified by the British Council. Having a flair for the English language, I feel extremely fortunate for having this opportunity to bring you useful tutorials which will help you understand the English language better and speak more like a native English speaker. Learning English should be fun, and that's exactly how my tutorials will aim to be. It will be my continued endeavor to enhance your vocabulary, improve your grammar and elevate your overall understanding of this universal language, English. Plus, along the journey, I'll also give you tips on how to speak and sound more like a native. I am really looking forward to making these English tutorials just for you so that we can together work as a team and with your cooperation and zeal to keep learning, enable each one of you to soon enough speak English like a pro. For those new to this channel, you're watching me on Let's Talk. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my forthcoming videos. Have a great day, guys, and I'll be back very soon. Until then, stay tuned and stay blessed. Bye-bye.